Welcome to the new tape feature in Collaboard. In this video, I will show you how it works and how you can use the tape feature to create new experiences and amazing designs in your online whiteboard. We partnered with Facilitape, which is a workshop methodology using the tape in the real world, and we thought about how to digitize that. Out of this discussion, the new tape feature in Collaboard was created. Let me show you now how it works. So you will find here on the upper right, next to the drawing icons, you find the new tape feature. There is even a custom color palette. And when you start digitally taping in Collaboard, you can basically draw straight lines on the online whiteboard and they look like real tape. Now the cool thing is when doing this digital, you can always select everything. You can change the color if this is something you would like to do. You can resize it, you can copy it. And if you created something really cool, then you can also save it as a template and reuse it on all the other whiteboards. So this is how it works. And in case you would like to remove digital tapes on Collaboard, you can always press delete, but of course you can also use the eraser, as the behavior is quite similar to the digital ink we have in Collaboard as well. The cool thing is you don't need always to start from scratch, because the guys from Facilitape, they provided us with several templates, and if you go to the Collaboard template library and select the category Facilitape, you will find here some pre-taped templates which you can just add to your whiteboard and use for many different purposes. So if you got some experience with digital taping, then for example you can create such amazing roadmaps and onboarding journeys, and you can use it for various purposes to create complete new designs on your online whiteboard. So now it's up to you. Go to Collaboard and try out the new tape feature, get creative, and if you have some feedback, let us know. Thanks for watching.